Namaste and welcome. Thank you so much for being here today for this mini restorative practice. Short but very soothing. My name is Laura and I am delighted to guide you through a posture called Mountain Brook Pose. Let's check in that we have the props that we need for this practice. I love to use a bolster to support my legs as we lay back on our backs in this pose, and then a folded blanket to place below the shoulder blades across the back. You can also fold your blanket in more of a rectangular shape to support more of the back body if you prefer. We'll take this blanket and place it across the mat. You might like a pillow for your head, so you can have that available just in case. The bolster will support the legs. And then, as I said, the blanket will be beneath the shoulder blades. So the shoulder blades will rest down on the ground. Let's lay back, and then you can fine-tune that alignment as you settle in. You might need to scooch the body upward or downward on your mat. Bolster behind the knees. Perhaps taking a slight pelvic tilt to support the low back. Legs out long, shoulders draw down and back, and then your arms can rest out like a capital letter T. So you may like to have a pillow beneath the head here. Take any final movements and shifts that support you. And then begin to soften into this Mountain Brook Pose. To relax down into gravity. The body perfectly effortless as gravity and the props do all of the work for you here. Notice the points of contact your body shares with the ground with the props. And you might feel your body draping over these different heights, these different levels and layers of elevation. Flowing into relaxation as if the body is water, moving over cobbles in a babbling brook. You might sense the ebb and the flow of each breath. This Mountain Brook Pose connects us with the heart chakra as we are heart opening. Loosening up, relaxing through the space of the chest and the shoulders. The back of the heart supported by the ground below. Feel the front of the body expansive and spacious. As you breathe, you might sense your rib cage moving like a pair of wings, feathering outward and inward in movement as the air element moves through you. You may feel the breath lengthening, deepening. Resting here, breathing is enough. As you give yourself permission to relax. please stay in this posture for as long as you feel to. For as long as you need. Whenever you're ready to transition, you can find gentle movements that grow in size and sensation, perhaps eventually reaching out into a big stretch. Take your time to roll toward one side when you're ready. So you might stay in Mountain Brook Pose for a bit longer, but when or if you're ready, you can transition by rolling to one side and then rising up to a seat. Thank you so much for joining me today for that mini practice, the exploration of Mountain Brook Pose. If you love restorative yoga postures, then you'll love the School of Living Yoga's Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training. This is an online yoga teacher training that I myself am one of the faculty on, and you can book a call with me via the link below in the description of this video to learn more and to apply today. Thank you. Namaste.